Hi everyone, I'm Darlynne and this is Mark, and we are out in beautiful San Diego today. You know, over the years people have always asked us what is our favorite places to see, and so we thought this would be a great time to show you some of our favorite neighborhoods.
I am 2 blocks away from the Whaley House, the Old Town Saloon, and across the street from the Hacienda Hotel. This is Heritage Park, and it's a wonderful hidden gem. And when we leave here, we're gonna head up the hill, and we'll be in a whole different world, Mission Hills. Check it out, there is a hidden trail behind the Christian house by the cul-de-sac, and it leads to an amazing view, a hidden gem in Old Town that we just discovered today. Great aerial view of these Victorian homes, Heritage Park. You can see, look, my own stage, right near the trail. Keep on rocking in the free world. We've made our way up the hill, up Juan Street, which is probably one of the steepest hills in San Diego, and we're on Sunset Boulevard. Yes, San Diego does have a Sunset Boulevard with great homes, pristine gardens, and we're going to walk toward a palm-lined Sunset Boulevard. We suggest you park near 1975 Sunset, and you'll notice you can walk down the hill into a pristine canyon, and then you can also walk across the street. The whole neighborhood is relatively flat, and it's just incredible. One-of-a-kind homes, gardens, all types of trees, and twice a year the Mission Hills area has a home tour.
So right now we're on Montecito and Lark, and this is actually my favorite part of Mission Hills because of all the beautiful homes. Take a look at these gorgeous homes behind me. Isn't that nice? Today it's beautiful weather, nice and sunny, low humidity, and it's gorgeous.
Across the street is Cinema Under the Stars. You can see a movie outdoors. Lefty's Pizza, Lefty's Chicago Pizza is also a great spot. And a block from here is one of our favorite breakfast spots, Farmer's Bottega. We are in Pioneer Park. It's on Washington Street. It's kind of quiet right now, but in the summer there are phenomenal concerts on Friday nights. Bands rocking out. It is one of our favorite spots.
And we hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. We sure love showing you some of our favorite secret spots. See you next time.